What is up, you guys? So we have here a Bape Suicoke Sandals. These came out on May 4th. So they retailed for $270 here in the USA, and these are the size 8. For these ones, I went my size, and when I tried them on, they're actually a little bit big on me. Like, you have extra spaces on the toe and in the heel, so I think you could actually go down a smaller size so that you have a more snug fit and it won't be as long. So yeah. So let's go over the detail of the shoe. So this shoe came in a black colorway and a blue colorway. I got the blue one, as you can see right here. And then just check out the details, starting with the top. So you have a see-through plastic on one side of the sandal with red drawstrings to connect it with the Bape camel print on the other side here. So this one can actually make the shoe tighter or looser depending on how you want it. You also have the camel design with a Bape tag right over here. The Bape tag is surprisingly only on one shoe, on the left pair. The right pair doesn't have any tags from Bape. And yeah, you also have the 8 print on here. Suicoke branding on the heel with a little bit of a nudge up here for comfort. Also a little bit of comfortable like stuff right over here by the toe as well for your toes. Nice, man, nice. And then we'll go to the bottom real quick. Just a typical bottom. Yep, really soft, really comfortable actually. These are the most hyped sandals. If you wear these out, all the girls will flock to you. Damn. But yeah, other than that, this is the Bape Suicoke Dao that came out in May. And yeah, if you could go through the size, you just have extra space, but you could also size down too for a snug fit, and you can actually adjust how tight you want it by using the red drawstrings and trying to like loosen it up or tighten it up here. So it's up to you how you prefer to wear it. I prefer to the size. And yeah, Bape Sandals. Let's get it!